Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Looking to develop Android apps on your Mac? In this video, I will show you how to download and install Android Studio on Mac step by step. Android Studio is the official development environment from Google for building Android apps. It includes everything you need to write code, design apps, interfaces, test applications, and run them using the built-in Android emulator. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac and search for Android Studio. Now search here Android Studio for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Android Studio. Simply click on the link. Now you can see here the download Android Studio button. Just simply click on it. Now you can see here terms and conditions. Scroll down. Now check this box. I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions. Now you can see here two download options. First, Mac with Apple chip. If your Mac has Apple chip, just choose this, and if you have Intel chip, just go with this. In my case, I have Intel chip. I will go with this. Click on the download button, then click on allow. As you can see here, the download process has started. It is 1.52 GB file. It takes quite some time, so don't panic. Be seated. Let the file to be downloaded first, then we will install it. As you can see here on my screen, the file is successfully downloaded. Now let's extract the file. Now simply double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here the installer mode. You can see here the icon of Android Studio. Just simply drag the Android Studio to the application folder like this. And that's it. Now you can see here it is copying to the application folder. Now you can see here it is successfully extracted. You can see on my application. Just simply double click on Android Studio to open it. As you can see here, it is verifying the app. The verification is completed successfully. Now you can see here the app is ready to launch. Now click on open. Now you can see here the interface of Android Studio on my screen. Now Android Studio will download the required components, including Android SDK and often development tools. Now you can see here the welcome setup wizard. Click on next. Now choose the type of setup you want for Android Studio, standard or custom. I will choose standard. Just leave it as by default, then click on next. Then again click on next. Now here terms and condition, just simply click on accept, then click on next. Now the Android Studio will download the required components and files. Now let this process to be done first. And that's it. As you can see here, you have successfully downloaded and installed the files and components of Android Studio. Now simply click on finish. Now you can see here the welcome screen of Android Studio. Okay. Once the setup is complete, you will reach the Android Studio welcome screen, as you can see on my screen as well. From here, just you can create a new Android project, open an existing project, or configure an Android virtual device. From here, just click on new project to create a new project, and from here just add plugins. You can customize it from here and many more things. You can see here you want dark theme, light theme, high contrast. Just choose it according to your preferences. You can also use the built-in emulator to test your Android application directly on your Mac. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Android Studio on your Mac. If this video helped you install Android Studio on your Mac, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How to Tech Hub for more Mac tutorials, apps, and tech tips. Thank you for watching.